In this video, we compare Roborock Q Revo Vacuum and G20 Pro Robot Vacuum. By the end of this video, we hope you will know which of these two products suits your needs. The Roborock Q Revo Vacuum and Mop is a revolutionary product offering automated cleaning solutions, including auto mop washing and hot air drying for a hassle-free cleaning experience. The dual spinning mops feature, operating at 200 RPM with consistent downward pressure, ensures that even the toughest of stains are effortlessly removed. The Roborock Q Revo Vacuum has an intelligent auto mop lifting feature that transitions seamlessly between carpets and floors, ensuring a comprehensive cleaning without leaving any streaks. With a powerful 5500 paw suction, this vacuum is capable of efficiently capturing dust and dirt across various surfaces, including hardwood floors, tiles, and carpets. The Reactive Tech Obstacle Avoidance system ensures precision cleaning by expertly detecting and sidestepping potential hazards, while the PreciSense LiDAR Navigation creates precise 3D maps for custom cleaning. With a self-emptying feature and a 5-liter water tank that refills automatically, this vacuum provides up to 7 weeks of hands-free cleaning, making it a convenient and efficient cleaning solution. The G20 Pro Robot Vacuum is an advanced cleaning device that offers a substantial 4,500 PA suction power, making it highly efficient in removing dust and debris. With a high-capacity 3,200 mAh battery, the vacuum provides an impressive endurance of 180 minutes, able to clean a large area of 200 square meters in a single run. The vacuum is well equipped with 23 sensors to navigate efficiently, preventing falls and collisions, and ensuring furniture and walls remain unscathed. Featuring a compact design, the G20 Pro Robot Vacuum can easily clean hard-to-reach areas, while its large-capacity dust box and adjustable water tank handle a variety of cleaning tasks. The vacuum offers versatile control options, including an application, Alexa, and a remote control, allowing users to schedule cleaning times and choose cleaning modes remotely. The G20 Pro Robot Vacuum has a unique carpet auto boost feature and comes with boundary strips, providing deep cleaning on carpets and allowing users to define no cleaning zones. The Roborock Q Revo Vacuum and the G20 Pro Robot Vacuum both offer a range of features designed to make cleaning easier and more efficient. The Roborock Q Revo stands out with its dual spinning mops operating at 200 RPM and a 5,500 R suction, while the G20 Pro Robot Vacuum offers a substantial 4,500 PA suction and a unique carpet auto boost feature. The Roborock Q Revo has a Reactive Tech Obstacle Avoidance system and PreciSense LiDAR Navigation, ensuring precision cleaning and custom mapping. On the other hand, the G20 Pro Robot Vacuum is equipped with 23 sensors to navigate efficiently and prevent damage to furniture. The Roborock Q Revo offers up to 7 weeks of hands-free cleaning with its self-emptying feature and a 5-liter water tank, whereas the G20 Pro Robot Vacuum impresses with an endurance of 180 minutes, able to clean a large area of 200 square meters in a single run. Despite the differences, both vacuums offer a comprehensive cleaning solution that caters to various cleaning needs.